It's a big day, a great day. I'm about to pick up the Asambe winners. You know the story. I can't wait to meet them, man.
Oh, shout out my brother. What's happening? Nice. I'm exceptional as well, Sometimes following. I have seen you multiple times though. You know, I do have some pictures with you with my girl and thing like that.
Ay, naman, bro.
They told me now, so now you think like that.
Ay, naman, to go. Wag you get pila. Enjoy.
That's really kind of first we should call.
Yeah,
First.
Sayibonga mina first into ngiyenza ngoba ngothando uma nami ngiyarecognize ukuthi abafezi nangisupporta and you've been following me, so that's why I was like, yo, let me do this thing, you know.
Mfethu ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu mfethu ngisho izandla zedlula ikhanda mfethu ukhulu kakhulu ke kumina lokho ongenzele khona or mhlawumbe to be recognized. I have been following you like for a very long time yabo mfethu. I have been a big fan. Akhona sebembiza ngensizwe ezilishumi yodwa bayifanisa nenkosi yoshuni.